And let's get right into the word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money. Joining me right now is Payne Capital Management President Ryan Payne, Mahoney Asset Management CEO Ken Mahoney, and the Fitz-Gerald Group Principal Keith Fitz-Gerald. Gentlemen, great to see you all. Thank you so much for being here. We've got a nice little rally underway this morning ahead of another big day for earnings. I want to get your take on that, Keith, in terms of where we are. Disney and Uber will take center stage after the close, and that earnings number on Disney is going to be important to watch. 96% growth year over year is what analysts are expecting. How would you characterize the earnings season so far? What are you expecting?
You know, I tell you what, I love what I'm seeing in the earnings season because it tells me that the corporations are a lot stronger than people think. Disney is very, very hard to handicap in particular because it is really a classic pandemic story. It was hammered during the COVID, the worst of the COVID is now coming out of that. Streaming, of course, key. They're moving against Amazon and Apple with regard to the NFL. They've got subscriber growth. They've committed something like $33 billion to content in 2022. But the key here is all the additional things. They've got the parks coming roaring out of the basement. They've got travel to get to the park, so we're going to see consumer behavior. And on top of that, all of the other brands. They've got Mattel, Pixar, Star Wars. These things are going to be powerful. I love the setup. It's underperformed badly coming into earnings today. This is great. You buy stocks that have been kicked to the curb with great potential. I love it.
Do you still like tech, though? Because look at a stock like Meta. Facebook is down 33% year to date. There's enormous amounts of pressure on social media and on big tech, even if we see gains this morning. Keith?
I think that's a great question. You know, I don't like all tech. I like the right tech. So to me, this is companies like Apple and Microsoft. Facebook instantly, Meta is one that I will not touch as long as Zuckerberg is at the helm. Not only are they under legislative pressure, but I think the company lost its moral compass arguably a long time ago. And I don't like to invest in stocks where I don't trust the CEO.
Yeah, all right, good point. That's certainly something to watch. Ken?
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below, and of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.